Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to choose a store theme on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have your name where we can go and see your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout button. In your store options, as you can see that you have a lot of options, and in your marketing also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and choose a store theme on Sellfy. So basically, you just need to go to the top right corner where you have customize store. Click on that option. And here a screen like this will open where you have a lot of things. What you need to do is go and click on the top left corner where you have the store settings and click on general settings. Sorry, you have to click on the, of course, store style, sorry. Then here you have the store theme, which is the basic default for me. What you need to do, guys, of course, is go and click on browse themes. Here you have a lot of themes that you can go and choose from. When you're satisfied with the theme, you can go and see the preview, or you can go and apply the theme by clicking on the apply theme button or previewing it on the I button. And that will be that, guys. You just need to save the draft and publish it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.